Compression tweeters, originally built for one purpose: to cut through wind, engine noise, and the open air on motorcycles, boats, and off-road vehicles. These powerful high-frequency drivers were never meant to sit quietly inside of a car. But something wild happened. Car audio enthusiasts saw how loud, clear, and aggressive these tweeters were, and decided to bring that same energy into cars, trucks, and show builds. Suddenly, SPL builds weren't just about subwoofers anymore. Now, compression tweeters are the go-to choice for anyone who wants their front stage to scream just as loud as their subs hit. But how do they stack up against traditional dome tweeters inside a car? Are they overkill, or are they exactly what your build needs? In today's video, we're going to break it all down. Compression driver 6.5s versus dome tweeter coax 6.5s. And later we're going to do a comparison between the Drive WDX6MOTO-CD and the Hertz MPX165-3 Pro. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so let's start with the basics. What actually separates a compression driver from a dome tweeter just isn't the shape, it's science. Now, the compression driver design uses a diaphragm coupled with a phase plug and a horn. The sound is compressed through a narrow exit, boosting output and directionality. Now, these can range from 6.5, 8-inch, and 6x9s, and these are designed for SPL, not subtlety. Now, the dome tweeter design is small and is either a soft or hard dome diaphragm, mounted directly in the front of the voice coil with no horn. Now, this creates a wide disbursement, perfect for stereo imaging. Now, compression drivers are focused, piercing, and loud, and dome tweeters can fill the cabin with smooth, detailed highs. Let's talk about performance. Now, compression drivers often boost sensitivity ratings over 105 dB, meaning they get loud fast. They're great for outdoor environments or loud builds, but can definitely sound harsh. Okay, so here are the pros and cons, starting with the compression drivers. Pros: extremely loud and focused for distance. Cons: these can be harsh, especially if they're untuned, and you will get a limited amount of mid-bass out of these speakers. Now, dome tweeters. The pros include smooth musical sound, also a wide listening angle. The cons include lower output, and these are not built for outdoor or high noise builds. Here's where things get tricky: power handling and installation requirements. Now, compression drivers definitely need more power and will require custom installation. Now, dome tweeters are more forgiving and are much easier to install, and in many cases will drop into factory locations. Also, the dome tweeter will blend better with mids and subs. So think of it this way: compression drivers are tools for volume and impact, and dome tweeters are instruments for clarity and tone. Now you know the fundamentals, let's put the theory into practice. We've got two examples: the Drive WDX6MOTO-CD. This is a 6.5-inch speaker with a compression tweeter driver. RMS rating on these speakers are 250 watts. That's quite a bit. Sensitivity is 107 dB, and the frequency response is 100 Hertz up to 18,000 Hertz. Now, this has a horn-loaded diaphragm with a rugged build, made for bikes, boats, and SPL builds. Retail price on these guys, $349 for the pair. Okay, next we have the Hertz MPX165-3 Pro. This is a 6.5-inch coaxial with a dome tweeter. These are 100 watts RMS, and the sensitivity is 94 dB. The frequency response ranges from 45 Hertz all the way up to 21.5 K. And the retail price is $399. Okay, let's take these things to the display, check them out. Make sure to grab a good set of over-the-ear headphones so you can see the difference in sound between these two speakers. Okay, there you got it. You have the DB drives and the Hertz audio, the compression driver, and the dome tweeter. Now, the reason why I chose these specific speakers for each category is because they're around the same price, $350 here, $399 here, $50 difference between the two. And before compression drivers got popular, this was our go-to when it came to motorcycles. Now, guys still do lots of Hertz, and that's fine because it's a different sound. But after these became popular, we've leaned more towards these. Now, we do offer packages for our Riker systems, and these speakers are included in one of them, which is one of our most popular packages. Okay, so let's talk about the sound. Extremely bright on the tweeter. Me personally, it's a little too sharp. I had my 21-year-old son in the other room, and while we were doing this demo, he absolutely loved these speakers. Now, this is a guy that has two 12-inch Sundowns and a ported box, and he loves the way that these sound. Me personally, I like the musicality of these speakers. They're smoother, they're much easier on my ears, and overall for me, just a better experience. But again, everyone is different. You have people that love these and do not like these, and people that love these and do not like these. Both of these speakers are available for purchase on our website. I'll leave links in the description below, taking you directly to each product page. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I would love to hear what you guys think about these speakers, so go ahead and leave those comments down there as well. Okay, my name is Josh. I'm with Breaker Stereo and Performance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.